CapCut just dropped its brand new AI, the AI Video Maker. And guess what? It's completely free for everyone. It might not be as fancy as VO3, but for short videos like TikToks or YouTube Shorts, this tool absolutely delivers. It's mind-blowing. It can create a full video just from a simple prompt. Let me show you an example in this video.
This is the top 5 cutest animals in the world. Number 5 is the squirrel. I mean, look at this little guy, so cute. But it gets cuter with the baby squirrels. Look at those eyes. And they're not even trying to hide their cuteness. Number 4 is the bunny rabbit. Oh my goodness. Those eyes are just so mesmerizing. And look at that little nose twitching. It's like, hello, I'm so cute. And you can't say no to that face stop. Number 3 is the red panda. It looks like a teddy bear came to life. Just look at that fur. And those eyes are just so soulful. Number 2 is the axolotl. It's like a mix between a lizard and a salamander. And they're just so goofy looking. I mean, look at that smile. And number 1 is the quacko. Look at this little cutie. It's literally the embodiment of happiness. And those cheeks, I just want to squeeze them.
Pretty cool, right? That entire video was made using CapCut's AI, from the script to the visuals. Now let me show you exactly how I made it step by step. Super easy. First, head over to CapCut's website and download the PC version of the app after that. On the homepage, look for the AI Video Maker feature. It should be on the right corner. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll see a box asking for your idea or video topic. Just type in a simple prompt. For example, top 5 cutest animals in the world, or funny cat facts. You don't need to be perfect. The AI will figure it out. Next, choose a video style. For my video, I went with the photograph style, but you can pick whatever fits your content best. Then select your aspect ratio. I chose 9:16 because I wanted it to look like a TikTok video. Perfect for vertical platforms like Shorts or Reels. After that, pick a voiceover that matches your vibe. I went with the good guy voice. It sounds clean and natural. There are plenty of AI voices to choose from, so just pick the one you like most. Once you're done, just hit create, and boom, CapCut starts generating your video like magic. After that, give it a few seconds. CapCut will now create the full video, script, visuals, transitions, and even background music. Yup, all automated. If you want, you can tweak the script, swap out clips, change the voiceover, or add your own media. But if you're in a hurry, it's ready to go as is. Finally, just click Export and choose your format. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, CapCut will optimize it for vertical format automatically. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've got a full video. No editing skills needed. If this was helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more free tools and AI content tricks.